Hello. We're playing.
Hello. I am Bigfoot. I am from woods. You are wearing trouble. Goodbye. Excuse me, I didn't finish. Let's go to the easy mode. Let's go to easy mode. Take a sleep. Yes. I'm a bus driver. You can. I'm here. Hello. Why am I grabbing your seats? I'm a bus driver.
Because you're a weirdo.
I'm grabbing the wheel. Bigfoot, no weirdo. Bigfoot, very friendly.
No, you're weird.
Bigfoot has we don't know that. Bigfoot has a Bigfoot. It's in the name.
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Weirdo. Bigfoot is not a weirdo. I will react to John. My name is Bigfoot. No, it's not.
No.
It's Bobby Joe. Baba. What are patches even for? They're useless. They don't even give me Robux.
They're useless.
Imagine you can cash them into Robux. Ooh. I was like, I got like millions of badges. Be Bigfoot, no need for Robux. That you could give me your Robux. No. Bigfoot needs Robux.
Then why did you just say you don't need Robux? I don't understand.
Bigfoot does not want to share.
Oh gosh, what happened to the bus?
Bigfoot wants Robux. He does not use Robux, but he doesn't want to share. Oh, motorcycle. Motorcycle sticks. He's on mine, so back off. Mine. When did he
So folks, I've never. We're gonna make camping trip.
Ever since you okay, hey.
Why can I not come in?
Ever since Looney Tunes were a loser. Hey, I can't get out.
I'm not a loser.
Okay, serious. See you losers later. Bigfoot's off-roading, and Bigfoot just crashed into a tree.
No, it won't let me.
I'm off-roading. I kind of crashed into a bush. How could I crash into a bush?
No.
Did you pause it?
Yeah.
My name is Jeff, and Jeff Sissy. Is that how lazy you are to pick a name? Goodbye. Yeah, follow him.
No, I don't want to follow you though.
Okay, he walks so slow. Bigfoot, stop in the name of Bigfoot. Huh? I'm like waiting on every turn. Oh, Froggy!
Froggy!
Froggy, don't want to.
Froggy, we want to eat you for dinner. Don't worry, we won't hurt you.
Don't worry, I'll eat you, Froggy. Excuse me, why are you Froggy?
This is dinner. No, come back. Our dinner. Our dinner.
Oh, look, a deer. I call a deer. I see a cookie.
There's a rabbit. Rabbit.
Oh, the deer.
There was a rabbit. I saw a rabbit.
Look, I'm playing with the lights. Look out the window. There's a rabbit. Cute rabbit. What are we supposed to say? No? I don't know.
Yes. I need to put my Doritos in there.
Horror movie 101. Hello. I want to see the animals. No. We know where the bathroom is. No, we don't. I need to go. Feel free to explore the park. Oh, thank you. Bye. Look, come see the deer.
Where's the deer?
Over here.
He's so cute. There's another deer over there. It's not a deer, but whatever.
I just missed my shotgun. What is it?
That's not a deer, but whatever. Look over here. There's a bunny. There's a bunny over here.
Why can't I go? I'm going to swim.
There's a bunny over here.
I'm going to swim. Oh, what's that area? Is there supposed to be something we're looking for? What exactly do we explore? We can't really move anywhere. We can go on the voyage.
There's another frog. Why is there a flashlight on the floor?
Pick it up.
Thank you very much. I'll take that.
It's a froggy. Oh, I'm actually going up. No, this guy's still my look. Dude, this guy's still my Dude, this baby's still my Doxycola. That guy's a jerk. He took it. You stole my soda.
And I stole someone's flashlight.
I'm scared of the dark. Okay. There's no way I'm going into the dark for some wood, so you cannot be afraid. Remember, I'm staying with Cookie. I don't care that I'm supposed to. Ooh, what? See, I gotta make things.
What? There's
It's
what?
medkit. It's pronounced medkit. Did you just say fade?
I don't know what you guys are talking about, but
Neither do I. It's in. Wait, where did you go, Cookie? I can't find any wood.
I'm right here.
I only got something.
Back at the campsite.
Made it. It says HT right here. Yes, because it does not. Okay, let me. No. Let me. I'm gonna cook alive. No.
Guys, did you see that? Guys, did you see that? Okay, it's just the animals. The animals are just running around. And I thought it was something else.
Going under the fire. The flame. It burns my tongue. Excuse me? You don't deserve to sit next to us. Okay, you're here for the Go away. You're here for the big person. Okay. In my fire, roast, then I stick it down your throat. Well. Are you guys really listening around here?
Just walk away. Disgust!
No. Jeff is going. I'm going to my room. See you later. Bye. Where's Jeff? Why is he not? There's something calling him the leads.
That's a deer. It doesn't matter.
Reform. I could do so much better. You guys are penguins. Look at me. You're burning me alive. I'm gonna do so much better. How do you think of my performance? Did you make it rain? How do you think of my performance?
It's acid rain. No, it's
I got jump off and cross the wall.
guys, it's hey, get off my bed.
I can't get up.
I think he's safe in the bathroom. That's where everyone dies, Alma.
Okay, everybody take top bunk. I can't because this is my bunk. Get off. I'm not Spooky. Go away.
You all want to be next to me.
Because you have the flashlight. Top bunker. I said top bunk.
Fall on the floor. Just fall on the floor. That's the problem. Is that a rabbit?
Where do you sleep? I'm gonna.
These pillows are very triangular. It looks. Let's go look for.
Oh no.
It was Jeff.
It's dead. No, we don't. We're gonna die.
No. Who cares about Jeff? He was kind of useless anyways.
He went this way. No, he's dead.
Oh no, Jeff is dead.
That's creepy. Look at his eyes.
I can't see his eyes. Hold on. Somebody murdered him! Or he could have just got attacked by an animal, you know that, right?
What's the tunnel?
Oh, over here.
Why did it say tunnel?
Wait now. I want to call the rescue.
Say, I want to do it. Let me do it. Oh,
The phone. Wait, did you kill Jeff?
Why would you ask that if he's going to kill us now?
I did. What are you going to do now? You're all helpless.
We're going to run from you?
You monster! Turn around! We're not scared of you.
How does I turn around?
What the heck? No! Do not murder me! I'm a lady! You cannot touch me! Do not touch me. I am a cookie, and I will crumble all over you, and you'll have a big mess.
I have to go to the bathroom quickly.
Run to the bathroom. Leave your brother behind. Leave your brother. Leave your brother. Sorry, Jeff. We gotta go. Don't look at the cute animals. Don't look at the cute animals. Don't look at the cute animals. Don't look at the bear. Don't look at the bear. Don't look at the bear. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I did it. Okay. Can this animation stop?
I know.
Freak.
Leave us alone. Seriously, it's still going?
I really hate this.
I meant it to.
Come at me. Okay.
Unless I made it wait, I can only make myself.
It's fine. I don't really need medication. It's fine. Is everybody okay? Yes, we're okay, Steven.
Yeah.
We should go back to the cabin. Should we go back to the cabin?
Don't be. No, I press yes. No.
Oh, press no. No, we need to go through the maze. We cannot do it. We don't go back to the cabin. I don't want to get attacked twice. The park is not safe anymore.
It's not even a park. It's more of a campsite.
Let's go further. Oh, stuck.
No, I didn't hear that.
What the heck?
Did we just fall?
Yes, we fell to our doom.
I said you guys should.
Oof, that hurt.
Parkour. I hate parkour because it's not about climbing, it's about good at jumping.
No! I can't die. I die.
Well, because you won't die, the person's not going to kill himself because he doesn't want to try to. Okay, I'm dead.
Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate it. We appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, we're losing. But anyways, thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye.